Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching the earwax removal video today. Just a short one on today's video. If you remember, I explained that we've got some building work going on, so I'm having to voice over what I can when I can. So you're getting more videos, but they are going to be a little bit shorter. Okay. So we can see we've got this thick keratin layer here on the outside part of the ear canal. First of all, this looked like a little bit of wax, but it's a little bit of keratin. Nothing a good old turbo wiggle won't get out for us here though, guys. So we've got the standard size ulnar tube on here, just wiggling this around. A little bit of wax at the back end of that plug there. So it's good, good size plug, that one actually. Let's take a look beyond. Eardrum looks squeaky clean. That is lovely and healthy, that one. So looking very, very good there. Similar story on this side, but not quite as blocked up. We can see we've got that little gap, which is just what I'm trying to see through here. So we just need to give this a little bit more of a wiggle. This one looks a little bit tougher, so I'm trying to get a good grip with the suction tube. Now what we can see here is because it's slightly drier, it isn't giving us that fantastic grip with the suction tube here, unfortunately. We're able to move it back and forth but not able to get it out. So the St. Bart's hook, which doesn't make an appearance too often, comes out today. Perfect, this with a big gap down the side. I'm going to get the hook beyond it, just pull this through. There we go, just got that top section. I'm going to use the side of the St. Bart's now just to push this down, detach it from the canal wall. Don't forget guys, if you do enjoy these videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow and subscribe. If you have earwax problems, check out the link tree in the description. You can make yourself an appointment then on our website there or contact us through there as well. Let's take a look beyond that. Lovely looking eardrum there, nice and clear. This is what we removed, so just over 1.5 centimeters. I'm going to go with 3/4 of an inch on that one as well, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. The lovely Mr. Tail Green will be back real soon. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. I'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.